Good morning, everyone. Today I thought of reading out Sri Gurupaduka Stotram. This has been done by Sringeri Jagadguru, Sri Satchidananda Sivabhinaban Nrsimha Bharati Mahaswami. And a lot of places I have seen this being done by Adi Sankara himself. It really doesn't matter. But it's a wonderful stotra which gives the greatness of the Guru Padukas, sandals of Guru. Nalikanikas padadrutabhyam Nari Vimohadi Nivarakabhyam Namajjanabhishta Tatipradabhyam Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. Nalikani Kasha Padadrutabhyam. So it is having the brightness of Nalikani Kasha, so great lotus. Nari Vimohadi Nivarakabhyam, all different delusions, remover of all the delusions. Namajjana Abhishta Tatipradabhyam, Namajjana, people who are bowing down. Abhishtatati, their desires, their lists of desires, Abhishtatis, Abhishtatati Pradabhyam, which gives, grants, bestows. Namo Namaha, I bow down again and again to the sandals, Guru Padukas Abhyam, Guru's sandals. Samadhi Shatka Pradavaibhavabhyam, Samadhi Dana Vratadikshitaabhyam, Ramadhavangri Sthirabhaktidabhyam, Namo Namaha Sri Gurupadukabhyam. They grant the Samadhi Shatka Pradavaibhavam. So, Samadama, Sraddha, Titeksha, Samadhanam, and Uparama are known as Shatka, six wealths of divine wealths. Samadhidana Vratadikshitabhyam. They have taken a vrata of whoever comes and bows down to them, they will give the samadhi, they will grant the samadhi to them. Ramadhavangri Stira Bhaktidabhyam. Ramadhava, Rama's husband, angry into the Vishnu's feet. Stira Bhaktidabhyam, they create the steady devotion to the feet of Lord Vishnu. Namo Namaha Sri Gurupadukabhyam. Nrupali Mauli Vrajanatnakanti Saridvirajat Jashakanyakabhyam Nrupatvadabhyam Nataloka Panktehe Namo Namaha Sri Gurupadukabhyam. Nrupali Mauli Vrajaratnakanti. Nrupali, the kings, Mauli, their heads, Vraja Ratna Kanti, so their makutas, their crowns having the wonderful Ratnas Kanti. So there are multiple kings are coming and bowing down to them. In that Ratna Kanti Sarit, in the flow of those light of the Ratnakantis of kings, Virajat Jashakanyakabhyam, looking as if they are the fish flowing or swimming in the river of the light emitting from the Nrupalis. Nrupatvadabhyam Natalokamantehe. So they give the lordship, they can grant the lordship to those who have bowed down to them. Such greatness is there for this. Namo Namaha Sri Gurupadukabhyam. Papandhakararka Paramparabhyam Tapatrayahindra Khageshwarabhyam Jajyabhi Samsoshana Badababhyam Namo Namaha Sri Gurupadukabhyam. Before that, we have one more very important sloka. Ananta Samsara Samudratara Naukayitabhyam Guru Bhaktidabhyam Vairagya Samrajyada Pujanabhyam Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. Having explained in the third sloka about all the worldly granting what they can do, they also can Ananta Samsara Samudra Tara. Ananta Samsara Samudra, the infinite ocean of this births and deaths, they can deliver Tarana Shakti. They have Naukayita Abhyam. They are the boat which can take you away from this. Guru Bhakti Dabhyam, they can grant you the bhakti on the Guru as well. In second sloka, Ramadhavangri Stira Bhakti Dabhyam has been told. Now Guru Bhakti Dabhyam in the fourth he is saying. Vairagya Samrajya the Pujanabhyam, those who have mastered the Vairagya Samrajya, by them these padukas are being worshipped. Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. I bow down to such Guru Padukas. Papandhakararka Paramparabhyam Tapatrayahindra Khageswarabhyam Jajyabdhi Samsoshana Badababhyam Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. Papandhakara Arka Paramparabhyam. For the Andhakara, for the darkness of sins, Papandhakara Arka. For that, they are the Arka Paramparabhyam, not one son. It is a sequence of several sons for such Andhakara. Tapatraya Hindra Khagetswarabhyam. Tapatrayas, there are so many Tapatrayas. On all three layers of existence, several Tapas are there. Those Ahindra, Tapatraya, Ahindra, Khageshwarabhyam. Those snakes, these are like the Garudas, they are the hawks. Jajyabdhi Samsoshana Badababhyam. There is a big ocean of Jajyas, defects. Jajyabdhi Samsoshana Badababhyam. Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. Sixth sloka. Kavitva Varasi Nisyakarabhyam. Daridriya Davambuda Malikabhyam. Durikrutanamra Vipattatabhyam. Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. Kavitva Varasi. For this poetry, means for the possibility of Grandhakartratva Shakti, Kavitva Varasi, of the ocean, Nishakarabhyam, like it gives the high tide to the Kavitva Varasi Nishakarabhyam, Daridriya Davambuda Malikabhyam, for the Daridra, for the so much of unfulfillment, not having the fulfillment, Daridra Davambudi, such kind of heat, they like Ambuda Malikabhyam, like the sequence of clouds which will reduce that heat. Durikrutanamra Vipatatibhyam. In the first one, Abhishta Tatipradabhyam, Tati is used. Here, Vipat Tatibhyam, Durikrutanamra Vipat Tatibhyam, Aneka Vipats. Abhishta Tatipradabhyam, Vipat Durikrutanamma Vipat Tatibhyam. Durikruta, Vipat Tati has been removed or thrown away by them. Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. Seventh sloka. Nataya me Sripatitam Samiyuh Kadachidapyasu Daridravaryaha Mokascha Vachaspatitam Hitabhyam Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. So for the whole people who are Nata, bowing down to it, Sripatitam Samiyuhu, they will take to the Sripati, the Vishnu, straight to Vishnu. Kadachidapyasu Daridravaryam Mokascha Vachaspatitam Hitabhyam. Mokascha, even he is a person who can't speak, they can make them as a Vachaspati, like Brahaspati, can speak everything. Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. That is the power of Guru Padukas. Kamadi Sarpa Vrajabhanjakabhyam, Viveka Vairagya Nidhi Pradabhyam, Bodha Pradabhyam, Druta Mokshadabhyam, Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam. So Kamadi Sarpa Vrajabhanjakabhyam, Kamadi Sarpa Vraja Bhanjakabhyam. All desire and all 6 internal enemies they remove. Viveka Vairagya Nidhi Pradabhyam. Viveka and Vairagya are the most important prerequisites for divine wisdom. That Nidhi, it is there inside. Again, they will reveal those things. Bodha Pradabhyam, they will make the understanding possible. Druta Mokshadabhyam. So finally, they grant the moksha, release, liberation. Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukarbhyam. नैन्थ श्लोक स्वार्चापराणामखिलेष्टदाभ्यां स्वाहा सहायाक्षर दुरंदराभ्यां स्वान्ताच्छभावप्रदपूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां स्वार्चापराणाम अखिलेष्टदाभ्यां those people who are worshipped him for all the akhila ishtadabhyam, all ishtas are been given by them. Swaha sayahayakshara durandharabhyam Swantachya Bhava Prada Pujanabhyam. Swanta, one who has attained that peace. Bhava Prada, such Bhava Prada Pujanabhyam. Those who have attained that Swanta, these Padukas are continuously being worshipped by them as well. So even without desires, these Guru Padukas are worshipped. So this stotra is something very close to my heart because the Guru Padukas power has been felt, realized by me at some point in time in my life. So iti Sri Sringeri Jagadguru Sri Satchidananda Sivabhinavan Nrsimha Bharati Mahaswami Virachitam Sri Guru Paduka Stotram Sampurnam Om Tat Sat.